Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to repair old damaged photographs with AI Image Colorizer. So, let's dive right into this transformative journey. Before we start, rest assured, no need to fuss with account creation. You can begin repairing your photographs right away. No sign up required, but if you do decide to sign up, you will discover even more possibilities. Behold the homepage, a realm of digital restoration. For today, our focus is on repairing old, damaged photographs. Navigate to the AI Repair section and click on Repair. Next, simply upload image to select the photograph you want to mend. Now, the magic begins. Start the transformation by tapping Start and prepare to witness the power of digital restoration. Keep an eye on the preview icon. It's like seeing history get a second chance. Once satisfied, it's as simple as a click to download the optimized image and preserve your memory in its renewed glory. And there you have it, a bridge between generations, restored with a touch of AI magic. So go ahead, give your treasured memories a fresh start. Thank you for joining, and until next time, keep cherishing moments old and new.